Hi, I'm Dr. Levine.
Miranda.
Nice to meet you, Miranda. This is Zorro?
This is Zorro.
Hey, buddy.
Zorro is here for a second opinion. He was previously diagnosed with a heart defect. I reviewed his records, and surgery may be inevitable. So I have a specialist coming in today to run some tests.
Tell me a little bit about Zorro.
Zorro was adopted at a vaccine clinic that I worked at when he was 8 weeks old. His dad was a Pomeranian. His mom was a Chihuahua. I mean, he's pretty active. He loves to go outside most of the time with his brother, who's a lab.
And he's how old now?
He is 1 year and 4 months.
And he was diagnosed with a murmur?
Correct. Read his second set of vaccines, and it was a grade 2 out of 6. So they just told us to keep an eye on it. And then when he was 4 months old, the doctor said that his heart murmur had gotten a little worse, that he had a grade 5 out of 6 heart murmur.
Okay.
Heart murmurs are graded on a scale of 1 to 6. A low-grade murmur in a puppy may not need any treatment, but a murmur of a grade 5 or 6 might indicate a life-threatening condition.
And he's never had any issues with like collapsing, fainting?
No, not at all, not at all. We had x-rays done just to check his heart. His heart looked a little bit more larger, but it didn't seem signs of any type of like heart failure.
Just a heart failure,
Yeah.
okay, good. Probably one of the most common causes for a heart murmur in a puppy is gonna be what we call a PDA, which stands for patent ductus arteriosus.
A PDA is basically a vessel in the heart that fails to close after birth.
That is a major surgery if it is a PDA.
Okay. I would do anything for him just like I would do my own kids. Want to know that he's gonna be okay and that he's not suffering.
One way or another, we're gonna make sure we get Zorro the best care possible, make sure he has the best quality of life.
Zorro will be having an echocardiogram today, which will give us the answers we need.
Hey, Doc.
Hey, how we doing?
How's it going?
All right. How you been?
Linda, have you met Dr. Taylor?
Nice to meet you.
Same here. Mobile ultrasonographer. When it comes to ultrasonography, he's the man. So, this is Zorro. Zorrito is a little nervous, I think. Kind of use your calming powers to keep him relaxed. So Dr.
Linda
Taylor,
effect.
Yeah, put the Linda effect on him.
Will do.
It's gonna be okay. It's not gonna hurt.
Look.
So we're just looking at the wall motion there.
Now you're looking at the left atrium.
Left atrium, yep.
So is that what we're hearing? The heart?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Yes, you are. I think we've got a very small PDA.
Okay.
I think we might have a couple of things going on with this one.
Oh.
Like maybe a little bit of pulmonic stenosis. Is this dog heartworm negative? I think we might have some heartworms in there.
Oh, my.
Yeah, do you see those little things flipping in and out? Those are heartworms.
Really?
This is one right there. 1, 2, 3, 4 heartworms living in that chamber there.
This is serious. Heartworms are parasitic roundworms that live in the heart and can be transmitted through mosquito bites. They can be fatal if left untreated.
I'm gonna put a little alcohol here, and we're gonna look through the sternum. Okay, let's see what we got. Oh yeah, look at those. Look at those. Man, I mean, that's like a really advanced stage Heartworm disease.
Wow.
At 1 year and 4 months.
Doesn't help things.
That definitely doesn't help.
Oh, Zorro.
I'm pretty sure about what I see, but we'll get the cardiologist's official interpretation of what's going on.
And how long does it take to come back?
I will have it back in the morning.
I know he's already compromised with the heart issues. Now that you're adding heartworms to it, what are his chances?
That's definitely a strike against him, I'd say.
Being heartworm positive and having adult worms present in the heart is going to put Zorro at an increased risk for any anesthetic procedure, especially a heart surgery. So any surgery to fix Zorro's other heart problems will be on hold for a while now.
He's made it this far. We just need his heart to kind of hang in there until if we can get the heartworms treated. But this is definitely a shocker.
Yeah.
But you're cute, though.
So cute.
Come on, buddy.
Zorro was here to be tested for a heart murmur. His cardiology report came in today, and any surgery is going to have to be put on hold for a while. So his mom is here to pick him up and get the results.
Hey,
Hi.
how's it going?
Hi, Zorro.
There you go, bud. There's your mama.
Here.
All right.
What are you doing?
Dr. Taylor, the specialist, came in and performed the echo. He may have a remnant of a PDA for a little blood vessel that should not be there, but not like a full-blown PDA that I would say would warrant surgery. But that actually didn't seem to be like his main concern.
Okay.
He does have something called pulmonic stenosis, which is his pulmonic valve is just really small and doesn't open up fully to let the blood eject out of there. And that is, I believe, where most of his heart murmur is coming from. That can be corrected with a procedure where they place a little stent and guide it up into the valve, and they dilate it with a balloon to open it up more. But the bigger issue is we found something doing the echo that shocked all of us. Is he on heartworm prevention?
Yes.
Okay, because Dr. Taylor actually saw quite a few adult heartworms. So the heartworm disease is something we really got to get a handle on quickly.
Adult heartworms can live in a dog for up to 7 years, and they'll produce more heartworms while they're in there. It's treatable, but sadly, it's fatal to most dogs who don't get treatment.
Definitely throws a little curveball in our plan because right now we need to treat the heartworms first and get them under control, get that cleared up before we can pursue any surgery, because right now he's going to be too high of a risk for surgery.
It's going to be a long road to cure Zorro, but thankfully, we know what the problem is, and there is a solution.
It's going to be a regimen of a few months that he's going to have to be on oral medications and then come in to get injections to kill the adult worms.
Okay.
But we won't know for sure if we're heartworm negative for another 4 to 6 months after that.
Okay. We're willing to do whatever we need to do.
He's a fighter and he's a young dog, so I don't see why, we can't get him feeling a lot better and get his heart working in a little bit better fashion.
Okay, he's gonna be okay, right?
He's gonna make it. Ain't that right, Zorro? You already defied.
Say I've been through enough. I think I will.
You already defied the odds already, so he's got everything going in his favor.
Okay.
So we're gonna get him right.
Heartworm preventatives are highly effective, but nothing's 100%. So the lesson to be learned here is that all dogs need to be tested, even if they are on heartworm prevention.